नमस्ते, हेलो एंड वेलकम टू विंगलिट्स एयरपोर्ट। कृपया आप सब अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए। हम अभी उड़ान लेने वाले हैं, पर उससे पहले आपको हम मिलाना चाहते हैं हमारे यात्रियों से।
Incredibly cute and so interesting, and to be very honest, here in Kids India I don't think I've seen anything like this.
Toys industry getting something sustainable, it's always an added advantage and very innovative.
It's been a great experience. We met a lot of big B2B buyers, we met a lot of retail brands. So the star product for the event has been a DIY kit. People are loving it, they are loving the packaging, the feel. The price range is very reasonable. It's coming to about 349 rupees only. Comes with two superb winglets, 6 colors, 2 brushes. So this is a star product, but people love the entire experience of 3D printed toys. I think Vinglits is rocking.